everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make this delicious eggplant sauce. It's so good, guys. So the first thing that I'll be doing is to steam my eggplant. So I got this eggplant a while ago. So when I got it, it was a lot of it, so I had to chop them up and put them in a freezer. So this is how it looks. If you have the fresh eggplant, just follow the step-by-step recipe. So what I'm going to do now is to steam it up. I took the one I had before from the freezer, and I'm going to lay it down on my steamer, and I'm going to steam this up until it's soft, or you can steam it for 30 minutes or check when it's soft, then you can take it off. So if you've not had eggplant or you've not tasted eggplant before, this is the recipe you should try. It's so good, it's delicious. So yeah. So next up, I'm going to steam this for about 30 minutes or when it's soft. So the next thing I'm going to do, just going to fry my fish. I've already cut and seasoned the fish. So I'm going to fry this up until it's nice and golden brown. So at this point, you can use any fish or meat that you choose to use. It's totally up to you. You can use shrimp, dry shrimp, anything that you choose to use for this recipe. It's totally up to you. It's fine. So up next, I've already boiled my snail. So I already seasoned and boiled my snail. So I'm just showing you guys how I fried it. So when I'm done seasoning the snail, I'm just going to fry it up a little bit. So that's why I say you can use anything that you want to use for this recipe. So when I'm done frying the snail, I already have my turkey, which I've already cooked. So I'm just going to fry that as well. So here the eggplant is cooked, so I'm just going to take it out and mash it up a little bit with a potato mash. So the other side of my stove, I'm just going to fry in my tomato and pepper mix. So I roughly blended some tomato, bell pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, and some habanero peppers. So I roughly blended this. Then I'm just going to fry this for about 15-20 minutes until the water is dry but not fully. So 15 minutes later, it should look like this. So you can see the water is dry but it's not fully dry. So this is the point I love to add in my ingredients, like my store cube, curry powder, some salt. If you want to use thyme, you can add it to it, some fish powder. This recipe actually needs a lot of fish powder or crayfish, so it's totally up to you which one you want to use. So I'm just going to stir this up. Then after that, I'll be adding in the cooked or the steamed eggplant. So I'm adding in the steamed eggplant right now. It might not look the prettiest, but it tastes delicious, guys. Okay, forget about the color. Okay, don't look at the color, just imagine the taste. Imagine how delicious this is gonna taste. Okay. All right, so when you're done putting that, you're gonna stir it up and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then in here I'll be adding my vegetables, some red bell pepper and onion. You can make it colorful, make it your own. Add some mixed bell peppers, the green ones, the yellow ones. Just make it your own, but that's the one I have in my house, so that's why I'm using it. So when you're done adding your vegetables, so basically it's ready the way it is. So but you have to add in your other ingredient, like your fish, meat that you fried. So every other thing that you're going to add to it, add it right now. Then you're going to stir it up and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes more, and your eggplant sauce is ready. This dish is delicious. Like I said, don't look at the color. Don't look at the color, just think of how delicious it's gonna taste. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can enjoy this with some yam, potato, anything you want. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.